Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's great to have you here again. If you're new, welcome in. You're stepping into a world where phone is no longer just a phone. It's becoming a full creative studio powered by AI. And today I'm going to walk you through some of the most impressive Samsung AI features that let you edit photos, transform scenes, create wallpapers, extract video frames, and even generate cinematic content, all in just a few taps. So let's start with the first one. So first up, we have one of the most useful and honestly satisfying features called the object eraser and object repositioning. So imagine this, you take what should be the perfect vacation photo, but there's a stranger in the background, or something small ruins the entire shot. So with Galaxy AI, you don't need to retake it or open any complex editing software. You can go ahead and simply erase the unwanted object or even move the subject around until the photo to completely change the composition. So the AI automatically fills in the background so everything still looks natural and untouched. So to do this, you want to go ahead and open the image in your gallery. Go ahead and use Galaxy AI here. Now find AI Eraser. Tap on this. Now go ahead and select the person or the object where you want to remove. So this person here. Now tap on Erase. And magically that person is now removed. So this is what it was before, and this is what it is now. Now let's say, for example, this shot here. I really don't like the couple standing here. I want them to be somewhere here. So to reposition them, I can go ahead and tap on Galaxy AI. I can go ahead and tap Move. Go ahead and draw a circle around them. And then go ahead and now drag them wherever I like. I can even go ahead and shrink them. And then I can tap on Generate. And there we have it. So all the shadows there for the object or the person which we moved. And from here, it has all been removed. So the benefit here is huge. You can fix mistakes instantly, clean up your photos, and even creatively redesign your shots without needing any editing skills. So all I've done here, selected the object, moved it, resized it, and that's it. This was what it was before, and this is what it is now. Now that your photo is clean and perfectly arranged, let's move on to something even more impressive. So next up, we have the AI lighting and scene transformation. So imagine you took a photo during the day, but you wish it had this cinematic nighttime mood, like something out of a movie. So instead of retaking it or applying a basic filter, Galaxy AI can completely reshape the lighting of your image. So here we have an image where it was basically taken on top of a mountain, on a hill, and it was daylight. Now I want to go ahead and make this into a nighttime photo. So I can use Galaxy AI. Then I can tap on Create here. And then I can go ahead and describe what I want to change. Change the photo to nighttime. Then tap on Generate. And there we go. So it adjusts the shadows, tone, brightness, and the atmosphere. So the entire scene feels like it was captured at a different time of the day. So this was what it was before, and this is what it is now. So the benefit here is simple. You can completely change the mood of your photo after it's taken, giving your content a cinematic, professional feel without any extra effort. So no editing software is required again. Now moving on from photos, let's talk about something you see every single day. So your home screen and your lock screen. So next up, we have custom gradient wallpapers and AI generated background. So if you're tired of plain wallpapers or random downloads, this is where things get interesting. So using Samsung's customization tool like wallpaper settings or modules such as Wonderland style features, you can generate smooth gradient abstract designs and fully personalize the background. So let me show you how to do this. So with the Samsung customization tool, you can go ahead and tap on wallpaper and style, then tap on change wallpaper. And here, if you scroll down, you'll see colors. So go ahead and tap on colors. And now you can go ahead and choose all these different colors. So if you go ahead and choose a certain color, say for example, this one here, you can go ahead and apply them. So now here you can go ahead and choose your colors. So orange, red, blue, anything you like. You can even apply the transparency. Now, if you don't like the plain solid colors, you can go ahead and apply style. So this will basically apply the random gradient on your wallpapers. Unfortunately, you're not able to choose the second color. So you get what you see here. Now, if you're not happy with this, you can go ahead and press home. Go ahead and open up the GoodLock app. In GoodLock, go ahead and open up the Wonderland module. Then tap on create your own moving wallpaper. Now here we'll tap on the plus sign. And here we'll go ahead and create a color gradient wallpaper. So tap on color, go ahead and choose your color. Now here, go ahead and tap on the plus sign here and go ahead and choose your secondary color. So I have yellow and I have blue. Press done. And now you can go ahead and choose your angle of the gradient. So if you want a from left to right or top to bottom, anything you like. You could even choose the intensity of the color. Now once done, press save and then go ahead and press save and then save again. And then go ahead and apply this as your wallpaper for your home screen or your lock screen. Okay, here your phone basically instantly feels more unique and premium. It's a simple change that makes your entire device feel brand new. Now let's move on to something especially useful for creators. So next up, we have the AI thumbnail enhancements and styling. So if you ever made content, you'll know that even a great video can be ignored if the thumbnail doesn't stand out. So Galaxy AI helps by boosting contrast, sharpening the focus on subject, and improving the overall visual composition so your image instantly grabs the attention. So here I've created this thumbnail on my MacBook using Photoshop, and now I want to go ahead and make this thumbnail pop out more. So how do I do this? So I can do this by opening it in Gallery. Go ahead and open up the Galaxy AI button here. Then I'll go ahead and choose Style. Now from here you can go ahead and choose these different styles which you can apply to that photo. So let's say, for example, I'll go ahead and choose a style like pop art and I'll tap on generate. Let's see what it does to the image. And there we go. So this is what it was before and this is what it is now. So this is what it was before and this is what it is now. Doesn't it look amazing? Let's go ahead and try another style. So let's say, for example, the anime one. And as you can see, it basically created me a brand new thumbnail for myself. Let's choose something else. Let's choose a retro anime. There we go. We have something like a GTA style thumbnail. I really like this. Now once done, you can go ahead and press save copy and go ahead and save this as your thumbnail. So here, enhancing your thumbnail is quite straightforward. You have better thumbnails, which leads to higher clicks, more views, and stronger engagement without changing your actual content. So next up, we have the AI frame extraction using Rewind and AI select tool. So imagine watching a TikTok, maybe Instagram reel or a YouTube short, and you catch the perfect moment, but it's gone in a split second. So here, as you can see, there's so many videos that's going on, and I want to go ahead and capture one of these clips. So with Galaxy AI, you can go ahead and rewind and extract the exact frame with precision, even from fast moving videos. So here I can go ahead and just rewind this bit. Go ahead and long press on my sidebar here, the edge bar, to turn on AI select. Now here you'll notice a new icon which appears called the rewind. So if I tap on this, rewind will just basically show me a few frames just before this. So as you can see, when I'm selecting all these frames, it's basically rewinding it and fast forwarding it. So depending on where I am, it's basically going front or back. So like this, I can go ahead and choose a perfect moment. So say, for example, this shot here. So I want to go ahead and take a shot of the person spilling some water in that cup. So I'll go ahead and rewind a bit more. Now I'll go ahead and long press on this. And then I'll tap on rewind. And now I can go ahead and capture the moment he pours the water into the glass. So there we go. So I like this shot here. So I can go ahead and tap on select. So now I can go ahead and just make a square around this. And now I can go ahead and take a screenshot. I can go ahead and crop this. I can pin this, copy it, share it. I can go ahead and use the text icon to extract text. I can translate anything which is not English. I can go ahead and put this in my calendar. So there's a date somewhere here. Or I can go ahead and convert it. So there's photo assist. There's some conversion tools here, which I can use. So the rewind option works on all the videos. So here, YouTube Shorts, go ahead and long press on the edge button here to turn on AI select. You'll see the rewind button. Now I can go ahead and use the rewind button to rewind a bit, choose my frame, and then tap on select. So the benefit is that you never miss an important or aesthetic moment again. So whether you're collecting inspiration, making memes, or saving references. And finally, we move into one of the most creative features, turning photos into videos. So last up, we have the AI-powered time-lapse creation using Galaxy Enhance X. Imagine you have a set of normal photos, maybe from a trip, a sunset, or a day out. So instead of keeping them as a still image, AI can transform them into a smooth time-lapse video with motion-like transition. So here I have an image and it's being captured from the side of a stairs. We have some nice clear skies, we have some greenery, and we have the sun shining there. So I want to go ahead and create a 24-hour time-lapse from morning till night. So how do you do this? So in order to do this, you want to go ahead and first open up the Enhance X app. So it's called Galaxy Enhance X. Open that. Open that image in the app. Tap on Photo Tools. And now here you have all the different tools which you can apply. So here you want to go ahead and tap on this icon here, Creative. And then you'll see the 24-hour time lapse. Tap on this. So this will now start applying the effect, the 24-hour time lapse, and it will basically convert your photo into a video. So here it's done it. Go ahead and press play. And now you'll see that effect kick in. So here it started off with a day, now goes into nighttime, and then it goes back to day. So depending on what the photo is, it does need a clear sky. It needs some nature photo, like an outdoor photo, and that will basically show you the effect really clearly. Now I'm happy with this, so I'll press save. And now we have that saved into our gallery. So when I play it, it's a 12-second clip, starting from a daylight and then going into nighttime and then returning back to daylight. So you can basically turn any simple photo collection into a cinematic video without any editing experience. Perfect for social media, travel content, or just storytelling. And that's a look at some of the most powerful Samsung Galaxy AI features that can change how we edit, create, and design content on our phone. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like this video, comment which feature impressed you the most, and subscribe for more tech breakdowns like this. And don't forget, I'll be starting a giveaway on Monday, 15 June 2026, where I'll be giving away a Samsung wireless charger. So make sure you stay tuned for that because the instructions will be dropping in Monday's video and you don't want to miss it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.